Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the fabric and testing a hidden seam so you don't damage delicate fibers. Once done, gather a fabric shaver, sweater comb, razor, lint roller, tape, and scissors. Make sure to lay the garment flat and divide it into manageable sections. This prevents overworking one area. Start on the lowest risk patch to set pressure and angle. You're doing this now to learn how much force each tool needs, which saves the garment and speeds the rest of the work. With the area defined, work methodically. Hold tools flat and use light, even strokes. Too much pressure removes threads, not pills. For knits, use a sweater comb. For larger areas, a fabric shaver set to a low speed works best. Use tape to lift pills from seams and a disposable razor carefully for isolated bobbles on tougher fabrics. Between passes, vacuum or brush away debris so you see results. If fibers fuzz again, reduce pressure or switch. Once depilling is complete, restore the garment by washing according to the care label and reshaping it while damp to maintain form. Make sure to air dry flat for delicate knits and avoid high heat that weakens fibers. Use fabric softener or an anti-pilling spray sparingly to reduce future friction, and store items folded or on padded hangers. If you notice pulled threads or holes, stop. Carefully trim snags, apply a tiny fabric glue dot to stabilize, or consult a tailor if the damage is extensive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.